I have just discovered a loophole that you can use to make thousands of dollars per week by simply leveraging Google AI. And as you can see from the left corner of my screen, there is a lot of payouts to people every single minute. And if you do this right, just the way I will show you, then you can be earning same or even more. Now, what is great about this is that you do not need any previous experience or any previous skill to make this work. As a matter of fact, you can get started with this today and start earning. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, the very first step you need to do is head over to this website that you can see on my screen right now, which is Temu.com. Now, Temu is an e-commerce website similar to Amazon, Etsy, and Jumia. It's an online marketplace where you can buy a variety of goods, and it could be stuff like clothing, electronics, gadgets, accessories, and much, much more. Now, what you need to do is scroll to the bottom of this website where you can see affiliate and influencer. You will just go ahead and click it, and it will take you to the affiliate program for Temu. Another way to do this is by simply going to Google and searching Temu affiliate program, and it will come right at the top of the list. Now, with Temu affiliate program, you will be able to unlock different ways to make money online with this affiliate program. So Temu is more like a new kid on the block in relation to its competitors. And one highlighting difference between Temu and its competitors, which is good for us, is that they pay way more in commission. And to the left-hand side of my screen, you can see that everyday people like you and I are getting paid in commission through this affiliate program. Matter of fact, on my first sign-up, I made over $350 in about less than 30 minutes. So if you want to get started and begin earning from this affiliate program, what you need to do is to simply click on Start to Earn and simply sign up to become an affiliate. I have attached a link in the description to get started as an affiliate. It takes less than a minute. And if you sign up through that link, you get $2 welcome bonus gift, $300 free credit, and as high as 20% in commission. Now, for the next step, in order to make money with this Temu affiliate program, we need to put some content out there on the internet to attract the right kind of audience. Now, go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't, because I am providing you with a whole lot of value here. You can either create content and show your face, but majority of people out there want to do this without having to put up their face out there, and which is completely understandable, and I will show you how you can do that in the later part of this video. So make sure you stick till the end to get all of the value I am about to give you. Now, what you want to do is pick a social media platform and start creating content. And with the rise of TikTok, I would suggest that you leverage on TikTok as visibility rate is very high at this time. Now, you don't want to promote just any products. You want to promote products that have a high shopping rate online. And how do we know that? We simply head over to Google Gemini. The reason we're making use of Google Gemini is because Google is the #1 search engine in the world, and obviously any report we will be getting from Google Gemini will be pulled from the Google search results. And you just want to go ahead and give Google Gemini a prompt to give you the top online shopped product in your country. So I'm just going to edit that your country. If you're in Malaysia, if you're in India, if you're in Pakistan, you say, give me the most shopped products on e-commerce websites online in Nigeria. The reason we are doing this is because we want to know the kind of things people are most likely to shop online in order to know the kind of product we are going to be promoting. And of course, Gemini AI will pull search results and give you what exact products are most shopped online in your country. And now that we've gotten the products that we're likely or we can likely promote, next thing we want to do is go to Temu affiliate program, and we want to click hot items. So we want to look out for products with high reviews and ratings. Like here you can see this is 4.9 with 14,000 reviews, 4.8 with 607 reviews, 4.8 with 4,000. And you just want to look for those kind of products. The reason why I'm doing this is because this is an indication that real people like you and I have actually bought this product and vetted that it is of good quality. You can also go ahead to open each of them and check the most recent reviews in order to vet it even further. You then want to promote this product on social media. Remember, we're going to be leveraging on the niches that Google Gemini has given us. So we can see in Nigeria, the things people are most likely to shop online are electronics, fashion items, beauty and personal care, home and kitchen appliances. So we're going to look for products all within that niche to promote. You then want to promote these products on social media. You can utilize Temu's images and videos just to put out there. You can also order for one of each if it's something you would likely use, just to also confirm its quality. And you can use it to make multiple content, as that way people can see the quality of the actual product. And it's a win-win situation because it's something that you actually need and you're also using to create content. Now, one amazing thing about Temu is that it offers cool products at amazingly cheap rates. You can see these plush slippers for women going for just about $5, and you can see the exact same thing on Amazon going for $22 plus. That's almost about $23. These are the kind of products you want to leverage on because Temu is literally offering the same for cheap. And this is something that you can easily purchase and enjoy for yourself, and as well as promote with your affiliate link. So if you search it under the hot items in Temu affiliate program, you can see it here, and you can see it has a good rating and a good number of reviews, and you can easily click here to collect your affiliate link and promote. And guess what? I have attached a link in the description to sign up, and if you sign up through that link, you can get a $100 coupon bundle for purchasing items immediately on Temu. Now for the next step, which is step 4, you want to create a Linktree shop. It's absolutely free, and you can attach all of the products that you are promoting in one place. So when people click your Linktree link, they can see all the products you are actively promoting, and when they click any of them, it's going to direct them immediately to the Temu products page. And when you do that, it's supposed to look like this when people click your link. Now, if you do not want to show your face, you can make like unboxing videos or videos where you show the product and you just want to basically talk about it in the background. Another way to leverage on this while doing it faceless is to create articles. You don't have to worry about writing a bunch of paragraphs yourself. We are going to be leveraging on Gemini AI to do that for you. And because we're trying to get people to buy a certain product through our affiliate link, we want to be creative with our article, but using the power of storytelling. So you want to go to Gemini AI and give it a prompt saying, I'm trying to promote a bass speaker, which is under electronics niche. I'm trying to promote a bass speaker through my Temu affiliate link. I want to write articles to post on platforms like Quora and Medium. I want these articles to be intriguing, build interest, to make my viewers want to click my affiliate link. However, I do not want it to sound salesy. Instead, give me a fascinating random story with myself as the main character through storytelling that would include a bass speaker and reflect its quality. The story should be exciting, stir curiosity, and be communicated naturally. The reason for this is to make it interesting, to capture the attention of the viewer and without being pushy. You can then link your affiliate link in this article, as Gemini AI has literally given us an interesting story. And believe you me, once you've linked your affiliate link in the article, you can post to platforms like Quora, Reddit, or Medium. Matter of fact, you can combine the both methods, that is both the faceless and also using your face, and you can be well on your way to earning at least $1,000 per week. Now, always remember that this will require your commitment and consistency to make this work. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, as this is a real online business idea that can generate thousands of dollars for you if you make the decision to show up every day for this. I hope you found this super helpful. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and you can go ahead to rewatch this video if you need to. Drop the word Temu in the comment section if you have watched up till this point, and you will get a free gift from me. See you in the next video, and ciao.